This is the Uffizi, well, one side of the arcade of the Uffizi, right? Wait, I'm gonna get nasty soapy water all over my skirts. Hey. Arcade. It's a U-shaped building, 4 stories high. Or 3, I suppose. It's uneven in good Renaissance fashion. Uneven stories. First one extremely high, second one respectfully high, third one still very high but not as high. There's a Bambino exhibit at the Uffizi. Well, here I thought I wasn't going to make another trip to the Uffizi this time since I was just there in November, but apparently that exhibit opened directly after I left. Good job, Uffizi. Trying to keep me coming back for more. Oh, also they opened that new gallery, Palazzo. I think that's closed, is now open. Smokers. Sorry out there to my friends and followers who are smokers, but I really loathe breathing other people's smoke. I don't care about smoking in general unless it affects me, and it affects me if I'm breathing it or if there are cigarette butts everywhere, if I'm smelling it. Rant off.